Today I will show you how to make the ultimate opium effect. Yo, it's Bovikas here, and yeah guys, today we will make the ultimate opium effects, also texts, and for this tutorial I will be using my most famous pack, which is the Opium presets pack, which I have just updated to make it require no paid plugins whatsoever, so anyone can have it. The Opium presets pack includes these crazy Ken Carson, Playboy Cardi, dark style effects, glitches, and one of my favorite parts, insane text effects. So I would 100% recommend to go and check it out, and I'm also going to be leaving a $7 discount code, which is going to be Opium7. You can use that code to save $7 off of Opium presets pack. But anyways guys, let's begin. Alright guys, so here I have a clip of Ken Carson, and I have a couple of other clips of Ken Carson, you know, for the Opium style. And once you have downloaded the Opium presets pack, all you can do is just go to effects and presets, type Opium, and you will see over 50 Opium effects. Yeah, I went ham with this one. And what you can just do is press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer. I've made these presets, so all you would have to do is just literally take, for example, Opium 17 and just press on it, and you will instantly have it. And yeah, this effect, as you can see, looks absolutely ridiculously good. And for some of these effects, if you want to fix them up a little bit, as you can see, you can go to NTCTRS, which is one of the free plugins used for this pack, and you can go to horizontal scale and just make it to like 0.25 if you want it to be a bit more visible. And this way it will look crazy. As you see, I mean, just look at this one, before and after. Yeah, you can customize them to whatever you want. So these presets I remade without any paid plugins, but I've also added new presets that also don't require any paid plugins. So for example, Opium Insanity is literally insane. Just look at that, before and after. I don't know, just very crazy. If you want to make this maybe even cooler, you can press Ctrl+Y again, add NTCTRS, and you can go and make the composite signal to 2, go down and press on this scale with video size, and this will also make it look quite cooler. You can also add, if you want, exposure to expose this even more, because Opium effects are pretty exposed, I'm not gonna lie. Another insane effect, this might be one of the best effects I've ever made. Opium Terror looks crazy. Yeah, as you can see, Opium Terror just is that super realistic Opium look, but with crazy damage. So yeah, what you can do is just literally drag and drop these presets. You can change the settings if you want. You don't even have to. And also a really cool thing you can do is press Ctrl+Y. And I've added some crazy glitches here. So you can, for example, just take Opium glitch 1, drop it here, and you will have a glitch that you can use for a transition or not. Like, you know, I mean, just look how crazy that looks for a transition. Just looks, I don't, you know, just very Opium, you know. Okay guys, and now let's make some cool text effects. So what we can do now is go to the text, and here we can just press on it, and I'm going to be using a font called MB Forever Raw, which is one of my favorite, like, you know, kind of like edgy fonts. And here, let's make the pixels to like 400, and let me just type, I don't know, like Opium, and let's go to align, position it to the middle, and here all you need to do is just go to Opium text and add whatever you want. So for example, all you have to do is just drag and drop like Opium text v2, and you'll have it. A crazy thing you could do is press S and uncheck this, and then scale this part up maybe like 250, something like that. Yeah, and it's going to look insane just like that. And yeah, I made these effects a bit more animated. I don't know what to say, like animated, like I don't know, like how would you call that? Like that's kind of like an animation, you know. So yeah, that is one way of doing text effects. But if you want what I believe to be even better text effects, all right, what you have to do is right click on your text, go to pre-compose, and here you can call it 720 x 480 and press OK, and just double press on here. And now you need to go to composition settings, and make the width to 720 and the height to 480 as we said by the name. What we're doing right now is basically lowering the resolution, and now we can press on this button to constrain proportions and drag it below like this. And here, let me just fix this. Let me make all of these 40, you know, let's just fix that a little bit. And here we have unlocked the ability to use these 720 x 480 effects. So let's just take them, drag and drop them, and we can actually scale this up a little bit more. And as you can see, this text looks super Opium, you know, just very cool. Another thing I've included in the pack is damaged glint deep glow, which is a little overlay, so you can drag and drop it here. And let's bring it right here. And we can scale it down by pressing S to scale it down, maybe to like, I don't know, yeah, like 47. And let's right click on it, go to blending mode, and I like to make it to difference here. Now you might be wondering, okay, that does not look that good, bro. What did you just do? Well, you can press Ctrl+Y, and here we are going to add a really nice effect. I'm going to add a new effect that I just made available with the update. It's called Opium Analog Horror, so let's just drag and drop it. And it's going to be messed up a little bit like this. So very sorry, but what you need to do here is you need to delete that transform and CC lens. And once you have deleted those two effects, you will be able to use this effect in 720x480 compositions. Just looks really cool, like almost like an Opium CRT text, you know, just, I don't know how you can even call this. It just looks really nice. I'm really proud of this pack. I remember I released this pack over a year ago, and it has been a crazy journey with the pack. A lot of you guys loved it, so I just want to update it. And if you have already gotten the pack, check your email and you should get the update for free. And also, don't forget, you can use the code OPIUM7 to save $7 off of the Opium presets pack. But anyways, guys, that's about it for the video. If you have any questions, then please let me know. But anyways, it was fun. Have a fun and productive day. See ya.